Okay, so we're going to put a new strip light in the garage today because this one, well, I thought the bulb had gone, so I changed the bulb. That wasn't that. I thought the starter had gone. It wasn't the starter, and I just took it apart, and I'm going to show you something which is quite bad. Look at that! Bloody hell, that was lucky. It's a good job we're fused. It must have took some doing to blow the fuse anyway. So it looks like a bit of water ingress on that or something, but I can't see any leaks, so we're going to check that. So I've actually been to town and I've purchased a whole unit, but I'll show you it now. This is in the gym, by the way. So there we go, big plastic safety one. This is going to go on. New bulb. I'm just fitting all these bits and bobs. Okay, so these are for when you put this the metal part back in. It'll fit like that, and these will slot into wherever. I think it's like that one or whatever, one each side. Okay, you're wiring it as it says. I'm not telling anybody how to do this, I'm just quite competent to do it myself. So live, neutral and earth. Okay, so it's usually brown, and then you got green and blue. Alright, let's put that there, and then we put these clips on. I'll just show you that. They're quite straightforward. Sorry about that. You get a bunch of clips like so, and all you do, so you know you're gonna, because that's for holding the fascia. I'll tell you that. The what do they call that? It's not a fascia, diffuser. Okay, so these are quite easy to fit. Just line them up, push them in. Getting the plastic one means if we have got any leaks anywhere, which we'll double check, that we should be reasonably safe. Reasonably is the word. There we go. Another one there. And I just knocked one off. Anyway, so that's that. Oh, that's that. Bit awkward in the gym. And then the diffuser. Now those clips hold the diffuser on. I'm not doing it just yet. I'm just getting the place warm because it's freezing. I'll come back to you in a sec. Okay, once the clips are on, you've got all the clips done, and they keep knocking them off. I have to put them on now because I can't get to it afterwards. So there we go. Right, stay there. To mount it, where I'm going to put it, you've come with two clips, either ceiling or wall, whatever you want, and you screw them first, and then they'll clip into here, like that. And they'll hold the. You've also got screws that come with it, so you've got two of those on there. From on this side, so you'll have to line them up, make sure you get them right. And then also you get two, these are waterproof stoppers, whatever you want to call them, cable throughs, whatever. And you can put one there, which on the inside you'll see there's a space for it. You can also put one there, depending on how you're going to keep it, how the power's coming in. You can also put one there, you knock them out, or on this one I've already fitted it on the end. Quite straightforward. All you do is take off the big nut at the end, and leaves a little tiny rubber washer. Put that through, and then put this back on again, tighten them up, and that's it. And I'll show you when we fit it. Okay, so I'm not going to fit it just yet because I want to get the place warm, and then I want to turn all the power off. Make sure you turn all the power off totally. So this part is separately fused from the house, So not only will I shut it down at the house, I'll also pop the fuse out, which is next door. And then you'll make sure there's no lights, it's light enough today to do this, and that's the idea. Make sure you do absolutely turn the power off. Alright? And if you're not sure, please don't attempt this. Get someone in. Alright? I've done a few of these. I used to be an electrician many years ago, so I know a little bit. Alright? A little tiny bit. That's all I know. Okay, power off, fuse out. I'm just going to do, where are we? Undo them stinks in here, electric. Okay. Not good. Not good at all. It's pretty dangerous actually. Been very lucky. You just never know, do you? I don't know why, because it doesn't look, there's no wet or there's no water anywhere else. Okay, so the two clips fit like that, two small screws. I changed the screws, the one that came with it weren't very good. So one that side, one that side. I put this one up first, quite straightforward. I'll put the cable in a minute, wire it up, and we'll go from there. I dropped a clip, so I'll put there. They're all right, they're all right. Okay, so fitting up, next put the tube in, and then put the, well, I'm going to test it first. I haven't shown you how to wire it for the simple reason that's not my job. It's pretty straightforward, live, neutral and earth. So live is brown, neutral is blue, and earth is usually a copper wire with a green sleeve over it, okay? Right, so let's get to put the tube in and see if she fires up. Okay, popping these tubes in pretty straightforward. At the bottom you'll see these two slots here. If you look at the tube and line up the two pins, with the two slots they just slide in, so like so, and then twist. And then they lock it because you can hear it. Alright, let's turn the power on and see what happens. There we go, she's warming up. We have light. Cool, right, I'll put the diffuser on. Oh, getting these clips on are a little bit of a, it can be a bit of a monkey actually. Slope down. There we go. The ones that are back a little bit more tricky. Where are we? Right. Got two come out. Anyway, I'll carry on with these clips and last one. These are, they're a little bit awkward, the ones at the back. You're going to find a slot, put the bit, that's it. Done. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, thanks very much. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. I'm sorry I didn't show the wiring, which I'm not prepared to do that, but you've got the gist. Take care. Catch you the next one. All the best.